The universe is saying to you, my child, trust and believe that things are always in the process of working out for you. Forgive those who did not know how to love you. They taught you self love. Forgive those who did not know how to treat you as you deserve. They showed you self care. Forgive those who did not believe in your dreams. They pushed you to go forward. Forgive those who did not know how to support you. They helped you self empower. Forgive and make room in your soul to become the best version of yourself. Type yes if you agree with this and also subscribe the channel.